All right, Bafethu, these are the three biggest stories in football right now. Rolando Mokoena, former Mamelodi Sundowns coach, Mr. Congratulations, Awayakala. He's not happy. He's not happy with how things ended between him and Orlando Pirates. He wished he could have stayed longer with the club, and he went on to some Lama podcast Nyana Lawase Al Jazeera and said he is still deeply scarred by what happened between him and the club, and he doesn't want to talk about it. He says the club opted for someone more experienced whilst Yena beka khona laphayana and Shem should beka hope ukuthi bazomthatha bambeke phezulu. Story number 2, sticking with Yena Rolando Mokoena. He takes on his former club this evening at 9 p.m. on SABC 3. Izobi live la game there. He plays against Mamelodi Sundowns. We're talking about Mamelodi Sundowns, Eshai St. Eloi Lipopo 3-1. A Mamelodi Sundowns that knows how to score goals, a Mamelodi Sundowns that knows how to dominate from defense all the way to offense. Given the fact that he lost his first game, he's playing against Kudiso Mudau, a player that he introduced us to. He's playing against Utebogo Mokoena, another player that he gave prominence, and he's also playing against Opri Mutiba, Nalabafana Lababa South America, Skuluma Ngabo Allende, Skuluma Ngabo Resino, Skuluma Ngabo Dos Santos. It's gonna be an interesting one. On other news, lastly, Collins Mbesuma, of a former Kaizer Chiefs lethal striker, Leandro Tabene goal. About how Coach Owadu played against St. Eloi Lipopo. He gave the game away. He shouldn't have played that game without a striker. Coach Owadu nambing play mavelevele. When Amasakuluma na legend, maybe he will listen. Collins Mbesuma, despite the late goal from Mbutuma, Mbesuma believes the damage was already done by the coach's decision to not field a natural number 9. Coach, you better listen to this guy. We're talking about a guy that once scored 52 goals in the PSL, and that record isamile namanje. Umbesuma kwakuyinjwa bafethu. Owadu, please listen. Izwake shisa leze pollen lethu namhlanje bafethu. Mr. Congratulations, Uyakhala. Rolando Mokoena is not happy. Also, Fanach, he's taking on Mamelodi Sundowns. We wish him the best of luck. Last but not least, Ntofontofa to Coach Owadu. Maone strikers lalis.
Omni Sports. Break it down. Africa's premier sports destination.